Hey guys! Hello my wasabis! This is Jirbie from Couchwasabi. In today's video, I will let you in on a huge unboxing haul. This is like a $600+ worth of Young Living products. So if this is something that you'd want to see, please keep watching. Alright, so I have 4 boxes. Let's start with this one first. It's kind of huge. These are basically my April and May ER, and it was delivered to me late because I decided to ship it over to a US address and have them shipped together so I could save more costs. As you can see, this is my thieves kit. Not really sure what's inside. I have a red pouch, a glass sprayer. Finally, mine is broken, so I'm excited to replace it with this. Oh, my cleaner, and the huge pail. This goes out of stock quite a lot in your virtual office, so if you're interested to get it, you better get it as soon as it's in stock. The pail is nice. The bag is nice. A washcloth and your thieves oils. Ta-da! Citrus fresh. We have purification. We have thyme. We have lemon. And we have thieves. Next package is this one. This is heavy. I would think these are the Ningxia. So in case if you haven't tried Ningxia, Ningxia is actually Young Living's antioxidant drink. So this is their vitamin or supplement drink. It's made from wolf berries. So if you're Chinese, you're probably familiar with this as kamki in your seafood soup. And I already gave like a set to my parents and to my grandparents. And my grandmother instantly recognized that this is kamki. So this is very good. It has lots and lots of antioxidant value. It's like the Asian acai berry. So it's red. It's very Asian. Next is this package. Oh, okay. So these are the Ningxia packets. So you can get your Ningxia like per bottle. And you can get them per packet if you're traveling or if you want to bring it out of town with you. You can bring a couple of packets with you. And finally, I think these are like the... Oh, okay. So these are my thieves kit and my free oils. Here's the list of my orders. So I'll double check this later. I have allerzyme. This is like vegetarian enzyme that promotes normal digestion. So I guess if you're having constipation and whatnot, in digestion, you can take this allerzyme. The toothpaste. I was able to try this 2 nights ago, and I like the feel. It's not that minty as your commercialized toothpaste, but this is made from all natural ingredients, so it can't be that bad. I'm excited to use this and give you my review after a month. I have a small thieves packets of hand purifier and spray. So the spray is for surface. Oh, it's a surface cleaner. So you have pocket-sized surface cleaner and hand sanitizers. I also have, oh, here are the oils. I also have thieves mouthwash. It's like slowly converting to all thieves and all things, yeah. And then I also have my foaming hand wash. I have 2 of those. Why do I have 2 of those? Okay, and I also have more thieves cleaner. So yeah, I will be trying to demo this, like how effective it is, in the next few days or few months, or in the next videos. And then for my freebies, I was able to get the wool like laundry balls. I'm gonna give it to my sister who does her own laundry. And then my oils. So I have a couple of oils. Let me just sit down for this. Hey guys, okay, so let me just sit down to show you all the oils that I put. Alright. Okay, so for this batch, for this ER, I was able to get 2 Progessence just to stock myself up and for my sister. I was also able to get, I think these are the freebies because I've got double of thieves and I don't really like use a lot of thieves, so I have 2 of those. I also have basil and peace and calming. This is like one of the famous oils of Young Living. I also got myself some juniper and tea tree for home cleaning. I also have some fennel, eucalyptus radiata. I'm not sure if I already have radiata. If not, I'll be able to use this. And clarity. This one I got initially for my grandmother so that they can diffuse it at home. Yeah, and it came in free, so that's cool. And I also have lime as free. Wow, okay. So basically, those are the things that I was able to get for this massive $600 haul. I haven't really tried Ningxia. The free packets that I got in my initial kit, I gave it to my sister and she really loved it. I already gave a set, a 4-box set to my parents a couple of days back so they can start drinking it. I'll be able to drink mine starting today. Okay, so why don't we just have a taste of Ningxia? So let's have some taste of this Ningxia. I'm quite excited to try it. I've never tried Ningxia, although my sister says that it's yummy. So let me just... It smells good. It smells like tomato juice. I'll just have a little. Cheers! It smells like tomato juice. But it's healthy, so let's drink it. Okay, so it says here, it contains tartaric acid, blueberry flavor, vanilla extract, malic acid, pectin, sodium benzoate to maintain freshness, and stevia. And it has essential oils like, it has wolfberries, it has blueberries, it has plums, sweet cherries, aronia, and pomegranate. And it has grape seed extract, it has orange, it has yuzu, it has lemon, tangerine. So it packs quite a lot. It's basically a dose of your antioxidants in a day. I'm not sure the recommended dose, but it says here, drink 2 fluid ounces 1 to 2 times daily. This is like 25. So if you're gonna drink 2 fluid ounces, that's about 6 days. 6 days to finish a bottle. Wow. So if you can't, like if you want it to be easier, I would suggest for you to get like the sachet form, like this one. This one, so it comes in small packets wherein you can just get, like the ones that you get for free in your premium starter kit. This is the one that's inside here. So if you want to be free from all those computations, just buy this and get 1 packet and drink 1 packet per day. I think each packet is about, it's not written here, but you can just check if each packet is about 2 fluid ounces and then you're good to go. That's 1 sachet a day or 1 packet a day. But before I end this video, I would like to announce a giveaway. So for today, I will be giving away a set of oil rack and 1 Young Living oil. So I will pick 2 winners. 2 winners will get to bring home any of these racks. So you have a choice of marble type, wood type, or the bronze type. I'll just show you how it looks like. So it's gonna be like this. It's a 3-hole 1-layer rack and a Young Living oil in it. The Young Living oil will be surprised. It may come from this haul or it may come from my previous haul, but there's gonna be 1 oil and 1 rack. So the giveaway is open to everyone, whether you're a Young Living member or not. So the mechanics is easy. Just subscribe to my channel, like my Facebook fan page. So the mechanics are easy. Just subscribe to my channel, so don't forget to hit the... So don't forget... Okay, hi Tuti. So my cat wants to be part of the video. Do you want to be part of the video? Tuti? No? Okay, so the mechanics of the giveaway is pretty easy. You just have to be subscribed to my channel, so don't forget to hit that red subscribe button. Follow me on my Instagram. You just have to like my Facebook fan page and leave this emoji on the comments box below, and leave this emoji on the photo on my Instagram that I will be posting about this video, so you can join this giveaway. I'll put in the complete details also in the description box so you won't be lost. I will pick the winner after 2 weeks. So the giveaway will run for 2 weeks, and 2 winners will get to win a 3-piece oil rack and 1 Young Living oil, 1 5 ml Young Living oil. So if you want to try Young Living for free, you just have to join my giveaway, and I would gladly share with you how amazing Young Living is. By the way, before I forget, I would like to invite everyone to come join my September workshop. We will be making natural bath bombs and shampoo bars. So this shampoo bar is a collaboration with Capricorn Dreams. Capricorn Dreams is a company that makes handcrafted soaps. So if you're interested and you want to learn how to make your own shampoo bars, don't forget to join me this September. That's going to be on September 23 at After St. Tomas Morato. It's still the same venue as the last workshop. I will put down below the registration link, so you better sign up today because the slots are filling in so fast. It's still on early bird rate until August, and I hope to see you guys there. Anyway guys, I guess that's all for today. I hope you've enjoyed my mini unboxing of this huge $600 haul. And if you're interested to see more of my Young Living hauls, don't forget to comment down below and let me know what are the type of videos that you want me to do. And I guess that's all for today. I hope you've enjoyed this video. Don't forget to hit thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to share this on your Facebook wall if you've enjoyed it so much. And I'll see you in my next video.